Plans are set now to put a medical marijuana dispensary in Milford, but the mayor there says not so fast.
Well, now he's asking the state to stop it from happening. He says he has the law on his side, but not everyone agrees. News 8's Josh Scheinblum looked into this issue tonight. He joins us live in studio. Josh.
And Darren, when I spoke with the mayor, he gave me this document here. It's 76 pages long, and it outlines marijuana regulation in our state. The only problem with it, officials with the Department of Consumer Protection tell me, is that it's out of date.
We think that the Department of Consumer Protection needs to take another look.
Milford's Mayor Benjamin Blake has issued a formal request to the Connecticut Department of Consumer Protection, asking them to immediately review the license application for a medical marijuana facility that's planning on moving into this spot here in the 200 block of West River Street. It's Blake's belief the current plan is in violation of regulations on the books. In this press release and later in person, Blake outlined his point of view.
The state regulations that were posted on the Department of Consumer Protection website, they're black and white. They say that these types of facilities cannot be within 1,000 feet of a school, a church, child daycare. And this particular application is not consistent with the state law.
News 8 reached out to officials with the Department of Consumer Protection about Blake's concerns. In a statement, they told us in part, quote, "The regulation cited in Mayor Blake's press release is unfortunately incorrect. All current regulations can be found on the Secretary of State's website," end quote. They also provided us with a link that shows, in their words, the law in its accurate form. And while it does say their department's commissioner shall take a number of factors into consideration when awarding a dispensary license, like its proximity to places of worship and schools, it doesn't explicitly say those factors would prevent a license from being awarded.
But they're saying that your information is erroneous.
Yeah. You know, I mean, I have a law degree, but I don't think it takes a law degree to read these and understand the black letter of the law. There's not a lot of legal interpretation necessary.
We stopped by the neighborhood where the site sits, and many who live in the area told us they're still working themselves to fight the dispensary from moving in. We also reached out to the owner of the company who wants to open up the dispensary on West River Street. We're still waiting to hear back at this time. For now, we're live in studio. Josh Scheinblum, News 8.